Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered how vast the universe actually is? It's a question that has sparked curiosity in human minds for centuries. Picture this: the universe, a colossal cosmic expanse, stretching out into infinity and beyond our wildest imaginings. We're talking about a scale so massive, so incredibly large, that our human minds struggle to even begin to comprehend it. Compared to the universe, our world seems like a mere speck of dust, floating in an endless sea of cosmic brilliance. We are, after all, inhabitants of a tiny corner in the grand scheme of things. This gives rise to a thought-provoking question: just how big is our universe? How far does it stretch? And where, if anywhere, does it end? These are questions that have puzzled scientists and philosophers alike for millennia. In this video, we aim to break down this astronomical question into more digestible parts. To understand the size of the universe, we first need to understand our place within it. Let's begin with our home planet, Earth, a blue and green jewel teeming with life suspended in the vast expanse of space. Earth is located in the solar system, a cosmic neighborhood comprising one star, our sun, and 8 planets, including Earth. We are the third planet from the sun, comfortably situated in the Goldilocks zone, where conditions are just right for life as we know it to exist. The solar system itself is but a tiny part of the Milky Way, our home galaxy. The Milky Way is a sprawling city of stars, with our solar system residing in one of its outer suburbs, approximately 26,000 light-years from the galaxy's bustling center. Just to give you a sense of scale, 1 light-year is the distance light travels in a year, nearly 6 trillion miles. The Milky Way is an immense cosmic structure, boasting between 200 billion to 400 billion stars. Yet, it's just one of the estimated 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Our Milky Way, along with about 54 other galaxies, forms a small cluster known as the Local Group. This local group is part of the Virgo supercluster, which itself is a tiny fragment of the even larger Laniakea supercluster. Now let's zoom out even further. The universe is believed to be around 13.8 billion years old. The observable universe, the part of the universe from which light has had time to reach us, is estimated to be about 93 billion light-years in diameter. That's an almost inconceivable expanse of space filled with billions of galaxies, each teeming with billions of stars and potentially countless planets. So, where does that leave Earth? It's clear that our home planet, our entire solar system, even our galaxy, are just tiny specks in the grand cosmic tapestry. As we can see, even within our own galaxy, Earth is but a small speck. Let's zoom out a little and take a look at our cosmic neighborhood, our own solar system. A family of 8 unique planets, their moons and countless other celestial bodies, all bound together by the gravitational pull of our star, the Sun. Imagine if you could hitch a ride on a beam of light traveling at an incredible speed of 186,000 miles per second. Even at this unimaginable speed, it would still take you about 8.5 minutes to reach the Sun from Earth. That's 93 million miles, a distance so vast we call it an astronomical unit, or AU for short. Our inner planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, are relatively close-knit. They're all within 2 AU of the Sun, but when we venture to the outer planets, the distances become mind-boggling. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is a whopping 5 AU from the Sun. That's almost 500 million miles. And let's not forget Neptune, the outermost planet, chilling at a frosty 30 AU from the Sun. If you decided to take a road trip to Neptune driving at a steady 60 miles an hour, it would take you over 6,000 years to get there. That's longer than the entire history of human civilization. And yet, our solar system is still just a tiny speck in the Milky Way galaxy. The distance from the Sun to the edge of the solar system is about 100,000 AU, a journey that light itself takes over a day to complete. Despite our solar system's vastness, it's dwarfed by the emptiness of interstellar space, the vast distance between stars. If the solar system was the size of a coin, the nearest star, Proxima Centauri, would be over 4 miles away. The vastness of our solar system is just a tiny fraction of the universe. Stepping out further, we find ourselves in the Milky Way, our cosmic city. This sprawling metropolis of stars and celestial bodies is home sweet home for us, nestled in one of its spiral arms. Let's take a moment to comprehend the sheer size and scale of our galactic city. The Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy that stretches across a staggering 100,000 light-years. Imagine a beam of light traveling at nearly 300,000 kilometers per second. Even at that unfathomable speed, it would take that beam 100,000 years to traverse from one end of our galaxy to the other. Our galaxy is structured much like a flat disk, with a bulging center and spiraling arms, all of it swirling around a supermassive black hole at its heart. The disk is peppered with approximately 400 billion stars, interspersed with colossal amounts of gas and dust. Each of these stars, like our own sun, could harbor planets, moons, and possibly life as we know it. But don't let these numbers fool you into thinking the Milky Way is a crowded place. The distances between stars are mind-boggling. If we were to scale down our galaxy, with the sun being the size of a grain of sand, the nearest star, Proxima Centauri, would still be over 4 kilometers away. Our cosmic city is a place of mystery and wonder, where stars are born in nebulous cradles and die in spectacular supernovae, enriching the cosmos with elements necessary for life. And here's the kicker. The Milky Way, with all its grandeur and majesty, is not unique. It's but one of an estimated 2 trillion galaxies populating the universe, each with its own collection of billions, perhaps even trillions of stars. So, as we journey through the cosmos, always keep in perspective our place within it. We are but tiny inhabitants of a vast cosmic city, floating in an even more immense cosmic country. And remember, the Milky Way is just one of billions of galaxies in the universe. Zooming out even further, we reach the edges of the observable universe. This is the grandest scale that our telescopes can currently perceive, a cosmic horizon beyond which the secrets of space remain shrouded in mystery. Let's delve into the concept of the observable universe. Simply put, it's the part of the universe we can see from our vantage point here on Earth. Light from distant galaxies takes time to reach us, which means when we look at the stars, we're actually looking back in time. The further we look, the older the light we see. Because of this, there's a limit to how far we can see, hence the term observable universe. The estimated size of the observable universe is a mind-boggling 93 billion light-years in diameter. That's the distance light would travel in 93 billion years. Just let that sink in for a moment. It's an almost unimaginable distance, so vast that we're forced to use the speed of light as a measuring stick. Now imagine the number of galaxies this unimaginable expanse holds. Astronomers estimate there are around 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Each one of these galaxies is a sprawling metropolis of stars, potentially teeming with planets and maybe even life. However, it's essential to remember that the observable universe is not the entirety of the universe itself. It's just the part we can see from Earth. Beyond our cosmic horizon, there may be an infinite number of other galaxies, stars, and planets, a thought that's both exhilarating and humbling. So, as we stand on our tiny planet, gazing up at the night sky, we're not just looking at stars, we're looking at a tiny sliver of the universe, a glimpse into the past and a hint of the vastness that lies beyond our comprehension. Yet, even the observable universe might be a small corner of the actual universe. Now, let's tackle the biggest question. How big is the universe beyond what we can observe? Imagine a bubble inside which everything we can see and know exists. This bubble is the observable universe. But what exists beyond this bubble? This is where the unobservable universe comes into play, a realm that may be teeming with wonders yet unseen. Theories abound when it comes to the size and nature of the unobservable universe. From an infinite expanse that goes on forever, to a universe that curves back onto itself like the surface of a sphere, the possibilities are as numerous as they are mind-boggling. Perhaps the most intriguing of these theories is the idea of the multiverse. This is the notion that our universe is just one of countless others, each with its own laws of physics and unique cosmic history. Some might be similar to our own, while others could be radically different, with bizarre forms of matter and energy, or even different dimensions of space and time. Of course, these are all just theories. With our current technology, we can't directly observe or test what lies beyond the observable universe, but that doesn't mean we can't speculate, extrapolate, and dream. After all, isn't that what exploring the ultimate frontier is all about? It's also worth noting that our understanding of the universe is constantly evolving. What we consider as the edge of the observable universe today might not be the same tomorrow. As our technology advances and our knowledge expands, who knows what revelations the future might hold. So, how big is the universe? The honest answer is we don't know. But that doesn't stop us from asking the question, from pushing the boundaries of our understanding, and from dreaming of what lies beyond the cosmic horizon. The universe, it seems, may be infinitely larger than we can comprehend. But isn't that what makes our quest to understand it all the more fascinating? The universe is the ultimate frontier, a place of infinite wonder and mystery, waiting to be explored. So how big is the universe? The honest answer is we don't know. But we've certainly taken strides in our journey to understand the cosmic scale of our existence. We started our journey on Earth, our home. This planet with its diverse landscapes and ecosystems is but a speck amidst the cosmic canvas. The Earth, as we've learned, is part of a much larger cosmic neighborhood, the solar system. With 8 planets, countless asteroids, comets, and dwarf planets, our solar system spans billions of kilometers, a scale that's hard to fathom. But our solar system is only a tiny part of an even larger cosmic city, the Milky Way galaxy. This swirling mass of stars, gas, and dust is so vast that even traveling at the speed of light, it would take us over 100,000 years to cross from one end to the other. Yet, the Milky Way is but one of 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Speaking of the observable universe, it's our cosmic horizon, the furthest we can see given the speed of light and the age of the universe. It's a sphere with a diameter of about 93 billion light-years, filled with countless galaxies, stars, and celestial wonders. But we must remember this is only what we can observe. Beyond the observable universe lies the ultimate frontier, the rest of the universe. Its size, shape, and content remain the subjects of scientific speculation and study. Some theories suggest it might be infinite or vastly larger than the observable universe. While we may not know the exact size of the universe, one thing is clear: it's mind-bogglingly vast, and we have a lot more to explore. As we continue to push the boundaries of our knowledge, who knows what cosmic secrets we'll uncover. Our journey through the universe has only just begun, and the cosmos waits, ready to reveal its mysteries.